Let's dive in, starting off strong at number 1 with a literal lifesaver, the Garmin Varia Rearview radar. Unless you're some kind of alien, you don't have eyes in the back of your head. The Varia isn't just a ridiculously bright taillight. It actually uses radar to detect cars approaching from behind up to 140 meters away. It sends a little visual and audio beep right to your bike computer. Once you ride with one and know exactly when a giant pickup truck is sneaking up on you, you will never want to ride on a public road without it. Next up, number 2, we have the Lumos Smart Helmet. Why just wear a boring chunk of foam on your head when you can look like a Daft Punk extra? This helmet features integrated LED headlights and taillights, but the best part? It has built-in turn signals that you control from a tiny wireless remote on your handlebars. Say goodbye to taking your hands off the bars to signal in heavy traffic. Just push a button and let your head do the talking. Coming in at number 3 is the Fumpa Mini Electric Air Pump. We've all been there, stuck on the side of the road, aggressively pumping a tiny hand pump to get 80 psi, giving yourself an absolute T-Rex arm workout. Enter the Fumpa. This tiny USB rechargeable compressor fits right in your jersey pocket and inflates a tire in seconds. It's loud enough to wake the dead. But it's a total game changer for flats. Number 4, stealth AirTag mounts. Bike theft is the absolute worst, and thieves are getting smart to obvious GPS trackers. Gadgets like the muck-off stealth tubeless tag holder hide an Apple AirTag completely out of sight, literally inside your tire or cleverly disguised under your water bottle cage. If someone rides off with your baby, you can track them down and outsmart thieves who usually share a single brain cell. For number 5, let's talk audio. Riding with earbuds blocking out traffic is a massive safety hazard. Shokz bone conduction headphones rest outside your ear, magically transmitting sound through your cheekbones. You get your hype playlist or your true crime podcast, but you can still hear the car or the angry goose sneaking up behind you. At number 6, we have the Knog Scout Alarm and Finder. Combining a screeching 85 decibel alarm with Apple's Find My network, this little guy mounts under your bottle cage. If someone even breathes too heavily on your parked bike while you're getting coffee, it screams at them and sends a panic notification to your phone. Simple, loud, and incredibly effective at causing heart attacks for would-be thieves. Number 7, Corky handlebar mirrors. Let's be honest, mirrors on bikes usually look pretty dorky. It gives off major grandpa's touring bike energy. But the Corky mirror snaps right into the end of your drop bars. When you don't need it, it folds away flush and stealthy. When you do, you pop it open to keep an eye on incoming traffic. Less grandpa, more James Bond. Moving to number 8, the Silca t-ratchet+ti torque kit. Carbon fiber bikes are amazing, but over-tighten the bolt by a fraction of a millimeter and crack! That's the sound of your wallet crying as your frame shatters. This ultra-compact multi-tool includes a live torque measuring cylinder. It fits perfectly in a saddlebag and ensures you never crush your expensive carbon parts while making mid-ride adjustments. Number 9 is for the sci-fi nerds. Engo HUD smart glasses. Literally turn into the Terminator, but on a 10-speed. These sunglasses project a heads-up display right into your field of vision. You can see your speed, power output, heart rate, and distance floating in midair without ever taking your eyes off the road. Okay, we're almost halfway through. If you're finding a gadget you want to add to your setup, do me a massive favor and smash that subscribe button. It tells the YouTube algorithm that I'm not just some crazy person talking to myself in a garage. Alright, back to the tech. Number 10, Favero Assioma power pedals. Want to get seriously fast and completely humble brag to your friends? You need to train with power. These pedals swap out just like normal ones, but contain insanely accurate strain gauges to measure exactly how many watts your legs are putting out. Number 11 is the QuadLock wireless charging mount. Phone mounts are great, but running Strava and GPS drains your battery faster than a leaky water bottle. QuadLock makes an incredibly secure mounting system, but they also offer a wireless charging head. Hook it up to a power bank in your handlebar bag, and your phone stays at 100%. Because as we all know, if it's not on Strava, the ride didn't happen. At number 12, we have the Ekoi heated cycling gloves. Winter riding usually separates the dedicated from the fair weather cyclists, but frozen fingers ruin rides. These gloves have tiny heating elements woven in, powered by sleek, rechargeable batteries. Now you can ride in January without your fingers snapping off like icicles when you try to hit the brakes. Lucky number 13 is the Insta360 X4 Action Cam. Standard action cameras are cool, but a 360 camera is the ultimate flex. Mounted to your handlebars or helmet, and it films literally everything around you. You reframe the shot after the ride, and it automatically deletes the selfie stick from the footage. It looks like you hired a personal drone pilot to follow you around. Number 14, SRAM TyreWiz. Because squeezing your tire like a ripe avocado isn't exactly a scientific way to check your pressure. The TyreWiz replaces your standard valve core and monitors your tire pressure in real time, sending the data right to your bike computer. It even has a little LED light that flashes green if your pressure is perfect, or red if it's too high or too low. Number 15 is the Outbound Lighting Trail Evo. This isn't just a flashlight aggressively strapped to your bars with a rubber band. This light uses automotive-grade reflectors to cast a wide, even beam that summons the power of the sun to light up the entire trail, all without blinding oncoming riders. Number 16, SRAM AXS Electronic Shifting. Robot shifting. Beep boop, you're in an easier gear. Electronic shifting used to be exclusively for the pros, but now wireless shifting upgrade kits let you ditch the cables entirely. Every shift is crisp, perfectly indexed, and requires zero effort. Number 17 is the Wahoo Ticker Fit Armband. Let's face it, chest straps for heart rate are basically medieval torture devices that constantly slip down. This optical armband slips onto your forearm, stays perfectly in place, and connects via Bluetooth. Way more comfortable for those epic all-day rides. At number 18, we have the Green Oil Eco Rider Chain Lube Roller. Stop turning your garage floor into a slip and slide. Lubing your chain is usually messy, but this clever little applicator wheel snaps onto your lube bottle. You just roll it over the chain as you pedal backwards. It delivers the exact right amount of lube with absolutely zero drips. Number 19, the Hoofding Inflatable Helmet. This helmet is truly a lifesaver. It's designed as a wearable collar that stays completely out of the way. But the second it detects a crash, it deploys like an airbag around your head in 0.1 seconds. It's basically a smart airbag for your neck. And finally, gadget number 20, the Sigma Blaze Brake Light. This tail light has a built-in accelerometer. The absolute second you pull your brakes and your bike starts to slow down, the light flares up brilliantly, just like a car's brake light. It's an incredibly simple, cheap upgrade that makes sure you don't get rear-ended by Kevin on his electric scooter. And there you have it, 20 insane gadgets that prove cycling tech is living in the year 2050. From radar that watches your back to locks that read your fingerprints, there's never been a better time to be a total bike nerd. Which of these 20 gadgets was your absolute favorite? Or is there a secret magical piece of bike tech you use that I completely missed? Drop it down in the comments below. I read all of them. If this video helped you discover something new, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and as always, keep the rubber side down. See you out on the road.